Hello everyone. Today I'm here to give you a brief tutorial on RB Digital as well as just basically getting set up for the first time. RB Digital is our go-to resource for magazines, but has been known to be adding a number of ebooks and audiobooks to their collection. You can access RB Digital via the RB Digital app available through your App Store, as well as through the links provided on our website and KCPL from home. To get to RB Digital, you can start again from either website, KCPL from home or our main website, and scroll down to the digital resources and you'll find the link for RB Digital. From KCPL from home, it'll be on the second row in the middle here. Once you click on that, it will take you to RB Digital's website and you'll be presented with some of the options that are available to check out. Of course, you will need to sign in and register before you can check anything out. In this case, as we do not have an account, we simply press register here, and we will have to type in the information on the form here. So now that I've filled out the form presented here, I can press the register button to create an account. I will note that if you plan on using the apps that they are advertising, you will need to do this through their website instead. Their apps still do not have a registration procedure as of this video. Now, it will automatically bring you to the support page again, listing their apps. I would just go back to the RB Digital site after registering, and you again will be right back to where we started before. You can scroll down through the collection of audiobooks, magazines. They have some featured series as well as an education section. Our education section includes Artist Works, which is a collection of videos that focus on music and the arts. It is something to check out, especially if you are at home and want to learn something new. Now, if you are curious about what items are available, you can perform a search, or my personal favorite is to use the Explore button to start browsing through what is available here. RB Digital will be adding and removing things as time goes on, so it may be worth exploring if you're curious about what's here, and who knows, you might find your next new favorite book. In this case, I can scroll through what they have, and their newly added section is where I usually like to go. And then I can simply just choose one of the items here. I can change my due date here anywhere from 1 to 10 days. I know I'll get through this rather quickly, so I will choose 5. And then I can press checkout. Now it will allow me to download the file, which again is loaded through their proprietary software, which you will find on their support page. Or you can use Play Now in browser. If you are more of a magazine person, you can instead go back to the RB Digital main page, scroll down to the magazines. Again, I personally like to explore as they will give us the list of magazines here. Now, we have magazines for a number of titles, and we have back issues dating back to when we started the subscription. So you can simply click on the magazine that you're interested in, and if you press checkout, it will check out the newest issue. If you go to all issues instead, you can see the back issues that are available that you may then, again, go through, choose one of interest, and press checkout. Now, unlike the audiobooks and the ebooks, you do not have a checkout period for these. They are just automatically checked out to you and do not return, as you can have any number of them checked out. You can read these through your browser or through the RB Digital app, again, available through the App Store. And moving through the titles here is rather intuitive thanks to the arrows and other tools they provide. And again, as you can see, we have the arrows here to flip back and forth, and we can change other functions such as zooming and screen size. That concludes our brief tutorial on RB Digital. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us through the library homepage, KCPL from home, or from our library Facebook page. Have a good day and enjoy RB Digital.